Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we describe most popular, the low-carb and delicious sweet snacks desserts for diabetics. Satisfying your sweet cravings while keeping your blood sugar levels in check is absolutely possible with a range of low-carb, delicious sweet snacks and desserts. These treats are designed to provide you with a guilt-free way to enjoy sweetness without compromising your health. From creamy puddings to fruity delights, here are some easy-to-make options that will delight your taste buds and support your diabetic-friendly diet. Chocolate Avocado Mousse. Blend ripe avocado, unsweetened cocoa powder, a touch of vanilla extract, and a sugar substitute of your choice. The result is a rich and creamy chocolate mousse that's high in healthy fats and fiber, making it a great option for satisfying dessert cravings. With these low-carb and delicious sweet snacks and desserts, you can enjoy moments of indulgence without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Remember to monitor your portion sizes and choose natural sweeteners or sugar substitutes that work best for you. Are you tired of struggling with high or low blood sugar levels? Our comprehensive guide offers proven natural methods to help you take control of your diabetes. Say goodbye to constant worries and hello to a healthier life. Click the link below in the video description to access our valuable insights and start your journey towards better health today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and kitchen tips. Until next time, happy cooking!